tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for all you DIY enthusiasts, small studios, and brands out there. I'm super excited to share with you my in-depth review of the 24 inches wide A1 DTF printer, complete with a shaking dryer, Dual XP600 head, built-in automatic cleaning, and so much more. This incredible machine is not only fast, printing vibrant graphics in just 2 minutes, but it's also versatile, working on a wide range of fabrics and materials. But before we dive in, let me ask you, are you tired of using slow and inefficient printers that just can't keep up with your creative demands? Well, you're in luck because this DTF printer is about to change the game. One of the standout features of this printer is its advanced SYLCYS software, which comes with a comprehensive package including a shaking dryer machine, 5 by 1000 milliliters DTF ink, 1 kilogram hot melt powder, and a roll of 60 centimeters x 100 m DTF film. This software is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to get started, while also offering advanced features for experienced users. The shaking dryer machine is a genius addition, ensuring that your prints are dry and ready to use in no time. And with the included ink and powder, you'll be able to start creating right away. But what really sets this printer apart is its ability to deliver crisp, clear designs with a 5760x880 dpi resolution, perfect for t-shirts, hoodies, bags, and more. Another key feature of this printer is its high-speed performance, thanks to the Dual XP600 Print Heads. This means that you can print at speeds that are twice as fast as single XP600 DTF printers and 4 times faster than modified models such as L1800, 1390, and R800. But don't just take my word for it. I've put this printer to the test, and the results are amazing. The print quality is vibrant and detailed, with smooth ink flow and minimal clogging. And with the built-in automatic cleaning feature, you'll be able to keep your printer in top condition with minimal maintenance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this printer is designed to deliver stable performance and user-friendly operation. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about the ink? Well, let me tell you. The exclusive ink formula used in this printer is a real game changer. After testing over 20 different types of DTF inks, the manufacturer has selected a formula that delivers vibrant and saturated printing colors with smooth ink flow. And the best part? The white ink rarely clogs the print heads, saving you time and hassle. But that's not all. The printer also comes with a comprehensive package of 5 by 1000 milliliters DTF ink, so you'll have plenty of ink to get started. And with the included RINN software and ICC profiles, you'll be able to achieve vivid, true-to-design colors without complex color matching. But what really sets this printer apart is its versatility. With a 24-inch wide print width, you'll be able to create designs for a wide range of fabrics and materials, from cotton t-shirts to polyester shoes. And with the included SYLCYS software, you'll be able to customize your designs and achieve professional-looking results. Whether you're a small studio, a brand, or a DIY enthusiast, this printer is perfect for anyone looking to take their designs to the next level. And with the professional technical support team, you'll have access to full-process one-on-one technical support, remote assistance, and troubleshooting, ensuring that you get the most out of your printer. In conclusion, the 24 inches wide A1 DTF printer is an incredible machine that is sure to revolutionize the way you create. With its advanced software, high-speed performance, exclusive ink formula, and versatility, this printer is a must-have for anyone looking to take their designs to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing printer and start creating like a pro. Trust me, you won't regret it. This printer has been a game changer for me, and I know it will be for you too. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your creativity to new heights. Get ready to unleash your full potential and create something truly amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.